Hello students and parents. This video I am presenting the June month best student works. We call this as a superstar works. It means we take live classes every week. It's a 2 hours. Yeah. So whenever the class finished, after that the student need to send their works in our sketching community to get my feedback and review. I usually will give every single student individually. I'll give feedbacks on their particular work. Based on that, they'll keep improving. So when they get improvement, they will get the result also in my review. The students whoever is got the rank of 4, yeah, it's the best work. I always will collect those all the works. I love to present it here because these students learn very fast and more accurately all the methods, techniques, process and principles, and they start applying it. They got the result. It's not only the result, this is not the final result. They got the good result now, but the work is they keep improving more and more. When you see, when they learn, when they keep attending more and more classes, in the future the works will be improved much better than whatever you're saying right now. Yeah, cool. That's how I will create the superstar works. If you are not aware of our live classes, otherwise how things this all things are goes, let me give you one small overall understanding how our class works, how students are getting improved like this. Number one, you should attend our demo class. If you love to draw manga, anime, characters and all the things, click the link below and join the demo class. That's a stage 1. Once you attend my demo class, it's totally free for all the age groups. You will come to know whether my class is right for you or not, because I'll focus more on the character sketching areas, which include anime type, manga type, all type of superheroes, all type of characters. This will include this all things. When you attend the demo class, you will get clarity on whether this class works for you or not, because I'm very clear. We'll choose students based on the natural talent. Yeah, that's one. Once that's finished, the next step will be attending the live classes. You need to get enrolled on my course, then you can start attending my live classes. In the live classes, I will be teaching, you will be learning. Once the class is finished, you need to share your works in our sketching community to get detailed feedbacks on your particular works. So when you get detailed feedbacks and you keep attending the live classes, your works automatically will get improved. In that there is no doubt, because your natural talent is matching and you are choosing the right class based on your natural talent. So right class and learning all the method, techniques, process, principles and everything. Then you are putting effort to learn, to practice. Of course the improvement will happen. This is how you will improve more faster. There is no any other big secrets or anything here. The secret is very open. The biggest secret is we should take action with guide, teacher, mentor support, and you should move forward. Thank you so much for all the supports and all the effort, and your improvement makes me more happy, and this will inspire more and more other students whoever is watching these videos. Whenever we'll go in the right directions, it's not only brings success for us, this also will bring good motivation and happy and the positive vibe for the people who will watch our success journey. People who are watching on this particular video, they also will feel very inspired. They also will feel more positive. They also will take action. So basically you are spreading more positive vibe, and same time you are spreading the creative vibe. So God bless you. I'll see you on the next success video. All the best.